Right, first time using the tin opener on this Swiss Army knife. Can of beans, I'm going to have a go. Oh, I've never done this before. Right, what the? How does that work then? Oh, it worked, pierced it. Now, what do I do now? Now I'm stuffed. Oh, I got the hang of it. Yeah. Anyway, a bit of practice, I expect we'll be able to do it fast. Oh yeah, there we go. Got it. Well, first time ever, and I've kind of done that much. So a little bit of practice, and then that'll work. Even though I was looking forward to having my big soup, and it had a bloody ring on it, so couldn't use it. But these are cheap 23p beans. You don't get a posh pull ring.